Hey, it's Dr. Matt Jensen from Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris. I'm here on site at one of our construction projects in northern Uganda. Every safari booked with Tapestry of Africa donates to the projects of humanitarian care throughout East Africa. We team up with the Dental Outreach Relief Foundation, and we are providing not only care in the form of volunteer dental treatment camps and projects, but we're actually building facilities in these communities. And behind me is a multi-purpose facility way out in northern Uganda. The nearest town is about 30 minutes away that even itself only has limited services available. But this is one of the facilities, one of the projects that you are supporting when you go on a safari with Tapestry of Africa. Come along with me. I'm going to take you on a little tour so you can see the different ways this is going to benefit this community. So this part of the structure is going to be our medical wing. There'll be medical offices, treatment rooms, so that we can treat the general population with general medical services, even specialty services when we have the specialist present. Follow me and we'll go on another little walk here. So right behind me in this area is going to be the administrative offices. This will help to administer the services needed, but also we'll be able to plan amazing community events. Untreated dental caries is one of the great epidemics of the entire planet, and especially in undeveloped countries like Uganda. So here we'll be able to provide pain relief and dental services that these people are in desperate need of. So once again, from all of us at Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris, we say thank you for choosing us to take you on your world-class safari in East Africa, where you're not only going to witness amazing wildlife, incredible landscapes, but you are blessing the lives of the people in the countries that you're visiting. If you haven't chosen to go on a safari with us yet, visit tapestryofafrica.com and book an amazing trip while having the peace of mind of knowing that you are making a difference.